Social retail by Modere, what makes it different than your traditional network marketing company? And why is it something that you need to be looking at as an additional income stream today? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And first, before we dive into what makes social retail different than MLM, I first want to talk about why right now is the perfect time to get started with social retail with Modere. I recently read an article about the cost of living going up with inflation, and currently the cost of living is up by 8 to 9% at this time of making this video. So inflation and cost of living is skyrocketing even more. So now more than ever, people need an additional income. Just for reference, if you want to live like you did last year, you need to earn an additional $5,200 this year. And a lot of people are looking for opportunities in the gig economy, meaning work today, get paid today. Uber and Lyft used to be an amazing opportunity, but with the gas prices where they are, those profit margins are shrinking. And so it's really nice to find a business that you can work from your phone, from social media, that you don't need to actually leave your home to make that additional income. I know it's been such a blessing to my family as I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3 little boys. I've been able to have money to pay for groceries, gas, vacations, fun activities. So if you're a mom watching this and you're wondering if you can do this around your kids, the answer is absolutely yes. It's also perfect for people who are still looking for that additional income stream, but they don't want to take time away from their family, or maybe you're working a full-time job. So social retail is a model that takes the gig economy idea of work today, get paid today, and paired it with a done-for-you e-commerce shop with built-in discount codes for you and your customers to share. This is why it has totally changed the game of traditional network marketing. So let's talk about how Modere and this social retail model has solved the problems with MLM network marketing companies and what they've changed that makes it better than your traditional network marketing company. It could be looked at as an affiliate marketing company, and a lot of affiliate marketers and influencers are partnering with Modere because of this right here. So Modere has a dual-sided compensation plan, and what that means is there is one side of the comp plan that's just for affiliates who want to earn up to 36% commission. And so it's like an e-commerce store that you don't have to carry inventory, you don't have to ship inventory. It is all done for you. And you can earn up to 36% commission and every single order your customer places. So it's a monthly consumable product. So you're going to get repeat customers month after month. And I'm going to link a video that talks about our Modere trim, and that's our flagship viral product all over social media, as well as the liquid BioCell collagen. So be sure that you check that video out after you watch this one. So like I said, it's a done-for-you e-commerce store with an affiliate website attached to it, but you don't have the hassle of having to set up the website or do the inventory or anything like that. You can literally have an e-commerce wellness shop set up in under 15 minutes, have all of your affiliate links ready to share and earn commission. Like, how cool would it be if you got paid every time somebody bought laundry detergent, hand soap, shampoo, and other non-toxic personal care products? So you might be thinking, okay, but how do I share my links? Who do I share them with? Okay, there's so many ways to do this, and I can teach you how I do it too, but it can be as simple as sending a link to your friends and family or on social media. People are doing this every single day without getting paid for it, by the way. So there's a $10 off coupon attached to that link. They'll get $10 off their first order, and then they have a unique link that they can share with their friends and family, and they will get a $10 credit back into their account towards their next order. Their friend gets $10 off, and you as the affiliate get paid infinitely deep on all of those orders. So cool, right? We call it the Share the Love discount, and let me tell you, over 85% of our orders actually come from customers, which is not the case in a traditional MLM or network marketing company. In those models, it's mostly the distributors buying the products, and it's not that way here. That is not a sustainable model, right? Okay, so the other side of the dual-sided compensation plan is the building side, where you have the option to build a team and leverage other people's networks. This, however, is not required, and you can make an incredible income just utilizing the affiliate side of this model. We also solve the problems of traditional network marketing because most people, when they join a company, they have no idea how to get started, what to post, what to say, right? So Modere has created a simple plug and play system where we actually teach you how to create curiosity, how to post on social media without having to think of what to say, with a 120-day posting strategy that's literally done for you. These posts are very well done, and we know that they convert into sales very, very well. Plus, you get access to some of the best online marketing training in the entire industry. So with all of that in place, you can get started right away earning commissions even before your products hit your doorstep. That's what I did. No parties, no hotel meetings, no pop-up events. Literally, this is a business that you can build completely online from your phone. The apps make it so simple to share and get paid. I work my business in the nooks and crannies of my day, in the school pickup line, during nap time, or just while the kids play. And remember how I mentioned that you can work today and get paid today? Well, here's the best part, okay? We actually get paid 2 times per day. So if your customer orders this morning, you get paid tonight. So there's no waiting like a month or more for payday. Heck, some influencers wait months to get paid for work that they did months ago. Not here, daily pay 2 times a day, which is so helpful with the cost of gas prices right now. So if you're interested and you want to learn more about social retail, I've put my phone number in the description of this video. You can text me and we can chat more one-on-one. You can also send me a DM over on Instagram. I'll link that below as well, and we can chat more there. And if you're like, holy moly, I'm ready to get started, I have the link in the description so that you can get started right then and there. There's a few different options to get started as a social marketer when you click that link. So please do reach out if you have any questions at all. I am here for you, and I can't wait to see what Modere Social Retail will do for you and your family. It's definitely changed my family's life, and I'm so, so grateful. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll chat soon.